Hi everyone, this is Sabah Zahid from VA Batch 9 Hyderabad under the mentorship of Sir Hafiz. Today my topic is listing optimization, and this short video is actually going to be a step-by-step guide so that we know how can we optimize our client's listing. So let's get started. So step 1 is to type your keyword. As I was working on this is my keyword. Step 2 would be find your competitor and open 3 random sellers. So suppose I'm going to choose this one as my competitor, and keeping this dog bed in mind, I'm going to open some other sellers, maybe this one and 2 more. So since I have already done this here, now step 3 would be run X-ray extension on this page. And step 4 would be to remove these sponsored ads. Step 5 is I'm going to set this BSR from low to high. And step 6 is I'm going to pick top 10 essence from this list, and I'm going to take notice of this one. Maybe I'm going to use this notepad for my later use. I haven't noticed 10 of these, I have just taken 6 of these to save time. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to use Helium 10 tool, and I'm going to open Cerebro. Now one by one I'm going to check this SN for the relevant keywords. After that, I'm going to set this organic rank from 1 to 15, and I'm going to hit this apply button. Here I'm going to set this search volume from high to low because I want the high searched keywords. So as you can see, and then those keywords have to be relevant. So dog bed, that's fine. Dog beds for large dogs, then again dog beds, and dog beds for medium dogs. So this step you are going to do with each and every SN you have taken notice of, and these are the keywords which I have noted down here. Next step would be, since we are going to optimize the listings, we are going to go in this listing optimization tab, and here you will find this scribbles. What would I do next is I'm going to copy these all the keywords, and you can see this here is upload keywords from my list. I'm going to paste these here, and I'm going to hit this apply button. Now you can see Scribble has sorted these keywords into words and phrases. My next step would be copying down my competitors' listings. So let's copy this title. Same goes for the bullet points. Since this is just a step-by-step guide, I'm not going to do this in actual, because this is a time-taking task. What would be the next step is to try to use all these keywords which you have got here under the heading of words and phrases, and try to rearrange these title and bullet points so there is no extent of plagiarism. And your target has to be, you have been given these word limit. Suppose for title you have been given 200 limit, you are going to make these characters for 200 and you are going to use each and every keyword. I would try to make a new video on this so that you guys can know how can we write the optimized listings, because here we have bullet points 1 till 5 and then we have this description as well. Let me know in comments if you have any queries.